Here are the different types and styles of paintbrushes for acrylic, oils, and watercolor painting. Round brushes, brush strokes, fine lines, detail work, controlled strokes, filling in small areas. Best for acrylics, great for detail work and fine lines. Oils, excellent for smooth, continuous lines and controlled detail. Watercolors, ideal for thin lines, washes, and detail work. Flat brushes are used for bold strokes, washes, filling in large areas, creating sharp edges. Best for acrylics, perfect for covering large areas and creating sharp edges. Oils, ideal for bold, sweeping strokes and blending. Watercolors, useful for washes, broad strokes, and filling large areas. Filbert brushes are best for soft edges, blending, and creating rounded shapes. Best for acrylics, blending colors and creating soft edges. Oils, smooth blending and soft, rounded strokes. Watercolors, creating soft, rounded shapes and blending washes. Bright brushes, brush strokes, short, controlled strokes, thick paint application. Best for acrylics, applying thick, controlled strokes with heavy paint. Oils, controlled, short strokes, and thick layers of paint. Watercolors, not typically used as they are designed for thicker media. Angle brushes, brush strokes, precise lines, curves, filling in corners, angled strokes. Best for acrylics, precise lines, edges, and angled strokes. Oils, great for creating precise lines and filling tight spaces. Watercolors, ideal for creating curves and filling corners. Fan brushes, brush strokes, soft textures, blending, dry brush effects, creating foliage. Best for acrylics, blending and creating texture, such as foliage or clouds. Oils, ideal for soft blending and creating textural effects. Watercolors, used for textural effects and blending, though less common. Detail brushes, brush strokes, fine details, tiny lines, dots, and small patterns. Best for acrylics, precise detail work and intricate patterns. Oils, excellent for fine lines and minute details. Watercolors, ideal for tiny details and finishing touches. Mop brushes, brush strokes, soft washes, blending, and smooth transitions. Best for acrylics, blending large areas and creating smooth gradients. Oils, great for blending and smoothing large areas. Watercolors, perfect for applying soft washes and blending large areas. Rigger brushes, brush strokes, long, fine lines, detail work, and calligraphy. Best for acrylics, long, continuous lines and fine details. Oils, creating long, smooth lines and intricate details. Watercolors, ideal for delicate lines and detailed work, such as grasses or branches. Best types of brushes by medium acrylics. Synthetic brushes with medium to firm bristles are ideal for acrylics, as they maintain their shape and provide control. Oils, natural bristle brushes, like hog hair, are best for oils due to their stiffness and ability to hold thicker paint. Watercolors, soft, natural hair brushes, such as sable, are preferred for watercolors, as they hold a lot of water and provide a smooth application. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please comment, like, and subscribe to my channel for more videos.